Hello, I'm your friend, Teacher Sam. Today, I am going to teach you how to improve your English learning skills by yourself. English, as many of us know, is a universal language. It's a bridge that connects different cultures, people, and ideas across the globe. But mastering it isn't always easy, especially when you're trying to do it on your own. That's why we're here today. We're going to explore some effective strategies to elevate your English learning journey, the strategies that you can implement by yourself at your own pace. We'll delve into the importance of vocabulary, the role of grammar, the power of listening and speaking, and the undeniable value of consistency and practice. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, we are taking that first step together. Our first step towards improving your English is to focus on your vocabulary. A robust vocabulary is like a toolbox, filled with the tools that allow you to construct sentences, express ideas, and understand what others are saying. It's the foundation of communication, the bridge that connects us to others. But how do we expand our vocabulary? One effective way is by reading more in English. Whether it's novels, newspapers, or even social media posts, every bit of reading exposes you to new words and phrases. Another useful method involves flashcards. Write an unfamiliar word on one side, its meaning on the other, and voila, you have a portable study aid. Lastly, don't shy away from using new words in conversation. It might feel strange at first, but with practice, these words will become an innate part of your language. Remember, each new word is a step towards a more profound understanding of English. So, make it a point to learn new words every day. Next, we turn our attention to grammar, the backbone of any language. Understanding grammar is crucial in learning English. It's the thread that weaves words into sentences and sentences into coherent thoughts. Without a firm grasp of grammar, the tapestry of language becomes a tangled mess. Now, how can we improve our grammar skills? One way is through consistent practice of writing sentences. This allows you to apply the rules of grammar, helping you see how they work in actual scenarios. Another method is by using grammar apps. These apps are designed to make learning grammar fun and interactive. They provide exercises that challenge your understanding and usage of grammar rules. There's also the traditional route of reading books. As you read, pay attention to sentence structure and how words are used. This will enhance your understanding of grammar. So, don't shy away from the challenge of mastering grammar. It may seem daunting, but it's an essential step in your English learning journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing your grammar. Now, we move on to the two pillars of language learning, listening and speaking. Listening and speaking skills are the heartbeat of any language, and English is no exception. They are the means through which we communicate, comprehend, and interact with the world around us. And the beauty of these two skills is they are interlinked. Improving one can often lead to the enhancement of the other. So how do we go about polishing these skills? Well, the first step is to immerse yourself in the language, and one of the easiest ways to do that is by listening to English content. This could be music, podcasts, movies, or even the news. The goal here is to familiarize yourself with the rhythm, tone, and pronunciation of English. It's like learning a new song. The more you listen to it, the more you understand the lyrics and the tune. Next, we come to speaking. This might feel a bit intimidating at first, but remember, practice makes perfect. You can start by talking to yourself in English. Describe your day, express your thoughts, or even narrate a story. It might feel strange initially, but it's an excellent way to build confidence and fluency. Another powerful tool at your disposal is technology. There are numerous language learning apps that can help you practice speaking English. These apps often come with interactive features that allow you to record your voice, get instant feedback, and even converse with virtual characters. And lastly, don't forget the power of conversation. If you have friends who are also learning English, make it a point to converse with them in English. This will not only help you practice, but also create a supportive learning environment. So don't be shy. Start listening to English content and start speaking English today. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about making progress. Every word you speak, every sentence you understand, brings you one step closer to mastering the English language. Lastly, but most importantly, let's talk about consistency and practice. If there's one secret ingredient to mastering English, or any skill for that matter, it's consistency. When you're consistent, you're telling your brain, hey, this is important. Let's get better at it. Now, how do we achieve consistency? By creating a daily learning schedule and sticking to it. Set aside a specific time each day for English. It could be first thing in the morning, during lunch breaks, or before bedtime. The key is to make it a habit, a part of your daily routine. And then comes practice. Practice is the bridge that takes you from learning to knowing. Whether it's speaking, reading, or writing, practice it over and over again. Remember, practice makes perfect. It's not just a saying, it's a proven truth. So, be consistent, keep practicing, and watch your English skills improve day by day. And that brings us to the end of our lesson for today. We've journeyed together, exploring the different facets of improving your English learning skills. The importance of vocabulary, like the colors on an artist's palette, allowing you to paint vivid pictures with your words. We've examined the role of grammar, the structure and rules that give order and clarity to our expressions. We've delved into listening and speaking skills, the give and take of communication that allows us to connect with others. And finally, we've underscored the significance of consistency and practice. Like a muscle, your language skills grow stronger with regular exercise. All these pieces come together to form a comprehensive strategy for self-improvement in English. Remember, this isn't a race, it's a journey. Take your time, enjoy the process, and most importantly, celebrate every progress. Remember, improving your English skills will open up a world of opportunities for you. So start today and don't stop until you're proud. Good luck.